Hello everybody, this is Lianame, and we are playing RPG Maker 2. And I will show you how to make a simple NPC as well as a merchant. So let's get started. Press start, edit game. This is the editor. The first thing that we're going to do is go to Menu, File, New, and go to Beginner Mode. And the reason why you would want to go to beginner mode is so that it can load the preset data. So now that it has the preset data loaded, we can go to File, Preferences, User, Level, and change it to hard mode. The reason why we would want to change it to hard mode is so that we can edit the data now that we have the preset data loaded. So anyway, let's create our character. Go to Graphics, Character Models, and then at the bottom there you can see it says Create New Data. So let's press that. And then down here where it says Model, select a model of your choice. I think I'm going to go all the way down to the bottom and choose a chicken. And here you can edit the color of the chicken. So I'm going to change the color of the chicken to blue so that now we have a blue chicken. And then up here where it says name, I'm going to change the name of the character model to blue. That's the name of the character model. So I'm going to save that, update data, and then save that. And then exit out of that. So now that we have a character model, we need the character model to do something. So let's go to Scripts. Scripts. Create new data. And then where it says name, I'm going to change the name of the script to Talk Blue. So this is the script that's going to execute when you talk to the chicken. Down here, this is going to be the actual script. So press the X button here, and then go down to where it says Events, Movement, Direction Change. It's where it says Facing, press choose Face Leader. So wherever the leader is, that's where the character model is going to face in a matter of 5 frames. You can change it to whatever you like, but I like 5 frames. So let's save that. And let's create something else. Go down to where it says Screen Display, Text, Message. This is a message that will be shown on the screen when you talk to the chicken. So when you talk to the chicken is going to talk back, and he's going to say, yes, he's going to talk black. No, he's going to say, how are you? Sir. And that's about it. Save that. And save that script. So now we have a script. So the chicken is going to move towards the character, move towards your character in a matter of 5 frames, and then he's going to say, how are you, sir? Let's go to Menu, Scripts, Events, Create New Data. And then up where it says Name, change the name of the event to the name of the character. The name of the character is Blue, so the name of the event is Blue, and then save that. Down here where it says Display Type, leave it on character because the chicken is a character. Direction, this is where the character is going to face by default. So by default, the character is going to face south. And then choose the model. The model is going to be the model that we created, the blue chicken. So select blue. You can see a preview of the model on the right. You can see the blue chicken. And then down here where it says motion, this is the motion that the character is going to perform when nothing is happening. So when nothing is happening, the character is going to bounce up and down like he's breathing, like inhaling and exhaling, you know, like bouncing up and down. The default ID number is 0239. You can see that on the right where it says weight common, character weight. So click on that, or select that. You can see on the right that the chicken is performing that action. He's bouncing up and down, and that's the motion that he'll be performing when nothing is happening. Alternatively, you can make characters do whatever you want. You can make them walk around in random directions, or you know, do various actions. But for this case, we just have him bouncing up and down slowly. Right here where it says start, select talk. There's 5 selections here. Talk is when you talk to the chicken. So when you talk to the chicken performs an action. And the action is down here where it says apply. This is going to be what the event actually does when you talk to the event. So click on that and find the script that you made. I'm gonna go all the way at the top here and then go down, go all the way down. Whoops. Go all the way down to the last script. This is the latest script that we made. Talk blue. So when you talk to the chicken, he's going to turn to your character in 5 frames, and then he's going to say, "How are you, sir?" So let's exit out of that. Save it. Don't forget to save it, where it says update data. So save that. Exit out of that. Go to scripts, event placement. Now we actually have to place the event. So you can choose one of these. I'm just going to go to preset town, edit, and then go to edit. And I'm going to choose a random location over here somewhere, right there. I'm going to place the chicken right there. And then I'm going to exit out. And save that. Exit out of that. Go to menu, test play, start. Here's the chicken. I have some people following me. So when you talk to the, you can see at the top left it says talk. I'm gonna select talk. So the chicken moves towards my character in 5 frames, and then he says, "How are you, sir?" And that's basically it. Now notice how when I talk to him over here, he moves towards me in 5 frames, even though it's a longer distance from where he's facing. It still takes the same amount of time to reach me. It still takes 5 frames. So let's exit out of test play mode by pressing the start and select button at the same time. Now we're going to create a merchant. To create a merchant, go to scripts, events, create new data. Change the name of the event to shop. Right, and then down here where it says display type, choose objects. I know this is kind of weird, but you'll see how it looks in the end. Set direction south by default. The model, let me see if I can find it. The model is actually going to be a counter. Here it is. The default ID for this is 0197 counter. There's a preview of it on the right. There's no motion. The start is going to be talk. So we're actually going to talk to a counter, which I know is kind of weird. Okay, so the apply is going to be merchant list. The default ID for that is 0242. So select that. So when you talk to the counter, it's going to display like a menu, like buy and sell and things like that. So let's save that. Exit out of there. Go to menu. Let me see. Scripts. Event placement. Preset town. Edit. And then right in front of the chicken, I'm just going to place the counter called shop. That's the event that I just created. And then I'm going to exit out of that. And let me save this and exit out of there. I'm going to test play that, and you're going to see what it looks like. So, again, if you talk to the chicken, he says, "How are you, sir?" And when you go in front of the counter and talk, it says, "Welcome to my shop. How may I help you?" And then there's a buy and sell menu and a leave selection. If you click buy, there's different items here. You can change that in the script. These are the default items, but you can always change it if you want to. And I'll show you how to do that. Let's exit out of test mode. Press the start and select button at the same time to exit. Go to menu, scripts. We're going to find that script. Let me see if I can find it here. Here it is. It's called Merchant List. The default ID is 242 or 0242. And then go to Edit. Right here where it says Event Control, select that. Where it says New Event, select this and choose the event, the chicken. I'm gonna go all the way at the top here and then move, whoops. I'm gonna select blue. Blue is the chicken. So it's gonna take control of the chicken, and then right here where it says event move, it's gonna change the direction of the chicken. I'm gonna change this to 5 frames. So he's gonna move towards you in 5 frames. This is the script that happens when you talk to the counter. So when you talk to the counter, it's gonna move the chicken towards you. Okay? Here's the script. Input merchant list 7 items. This is the script that allows you to buy and sell. Well, actually, this isn't the script that does that. The script that does that is right here, merchant script. And the default ID for that is 0243. But you really don't have to do much with that. You don't have to tinker with that. But if you do want to change the items, you can change them here. These are all the items, and you can just like change them if you want to. It's optional. You can have a maximum of 7 items in your shop. So there they are. So that's how you change it if you want to. Let's exit out of that. Actually, maybe I should change. Here, I'll change herb to antidote. Oh wait, no. Smoke bomb? I'll change it to smoke bomb. Okay, so I'm gonna save that and exit out of this. Exit out of that. Test play. Start. So when you talk to the chicken, he moves towards you. And then when you talk to the counter, see how the chicken, he moved? He moved towards you. That's because we edited that in the script, in the merchant list script. And there's when you press buy, what would you like to buy? And see, you can see that there's smoke bomb. That's the item that I changed in merchant list. So that's how you change items if you want to. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. That's how you create an NPC, and that's how you create a merchant. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.